So welcome to Drill Talk and more, guys. So today what we're going to be doing is installing the Venom Red Dot. Sorry for the glare. The Venom Red Dot 3MOA micro red dot, if you want to call it that, onto my Glock19 mos. Now, Glock, of course, was kind enough to incorporate the brackets that you'll need or choose from for the install. So, first thing we're going to do is remove these two screws, which the right Allen key is given to you by Glock. Okay, so once you have the top removed by just removing these two screws, you got to pick which bracket mount you need. For me, and using the Venom, the one that I'm going with is the #1. That's what fits. So you go ahead and put it on. You make sure all your holes are aligned. You can see it, but these holes have to be aligned. These holes are for the optic that you're getting ready to use. So once you have these aligned, now you can get your optic. So the Venom, it does come with a tool. You're gonna use the tool to twist the battery cap open, and batteries are included. Then you put the battery in there. So now I'm gonna go ahead and secure our plate. Well, now I know why the box came with more screws. This one's too long, of course. So let's go in the box here and get the right screws. Now that we have our mounting plate in order, we're gonna go ahead and mount our optic, which it fits just fine on there. Vortex provided some screws, so we're going ahead and get those out so we go ahead and use them. So here we have our Vortex Venom installed onto our Glock. See if I can get you a picture here of the red dot. There you go. So I have to go through the range and just a little bit. And yeah, I have my red dot a little set to the right because I have a tendency of pulling to the left. So just to, I guess, pre-compensate for that. There we have it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video.